Hello guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, then welcome for the first time. First of all, thank you for all the support from my last two videos and for helping me reach 500 subscribers. With that being said, let's get on to the video. How to make accurate and good-looking characters from shows or movies or any other piece of media in Gacha Life 2. Probably gonna have to shorten the title of that anyway. Making characters can be hard and frustrating and take way too much time if you don't know what you're doing. Some things to keep in mind when you're recreating a character is 1. Pay attention to the smallest details. The best thing about Gacha Life 2 is the large amount of customization that you're able to do, so use that to your advantage. And 2. Keep your style consistent. Are your proportions adjusted for all your characters? Do you tend to favor certain hues of colors over others? Do you use the tint feature? If not, you should. It makes a huge difference in how your colors blend together. I know this is a lot to keep in mind, but trust me, once you have some sort of pattern to stick to, it will make making your characters a lot easier. Why don't we take a look at a few examples? So here's me making Axel from Total Drama from scratch, and I do like to make last names for Total Drama characters because why not? Alright, so first I'm gonna find her skin tone, which I do by matching the color to the palette. You want to find where the original shade disappears into one of the squares. So right about here's her best match. And right here is for personal style. I like to shrink the heads of all my characters because I think it looks nicer. The important thing is that I keep it consistent with every one of my characters. Okay, so now I'm making her hair next. Again, you want to find the best match when it comes to these little details. So I'm just going to find a front hair that fits her the best. Okay, I think this fits her the best, so I'm going to select it and adjust it to my liking. Alright, so now for her ponytail. Her ponytail is quite long and is a little wavy, so I'm going to look for a ponytail that resembles that. There are a lot of possible options, so I would recommend whittling down your options to make choosing easier. And pro tip about choosing colors, pay attention to undertones, because Axel's hair has red undertones, so I'm also going to check if any of the red colors fit her hair color, and they do. So her hair is actually going to be red, despite her actually being a brunette. Alright, so now for eyes. Axel's eyes in her official character model are narrower and are rounder at the bottom. Her canthal toe or line between the corner of her eyes point downward. So you want to find an eye shape that fits all of these details. Same thing with the nose, you want to try to match the shape as best as you can. Another thing to pay attention to is accessories. I feel like a lot of people miss out on this and it can make a character look bland, so pay attention to facial features, earrings, and other accessories. Now for clothing, just try to make it as accurate and detailed as possible. Gacha can be limiting when it comes to clothes, which is where hacks come into play. I'm not going to go over specifics, you can look up gacha hacks on your own. I do have a tip though, start with the structure of the outfit first before you start adding colors. I just think it's easier when you have a roadmap of your character's outfit. And there's Axel, or any other character you were designing while watching this video. And honestly, you keep these tips and strategies in mind while designing characters, you can make great designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.